Hello guys, this is Zul again. Okay, I'm now going back home. Started work today at 7:10 a.m. My first job. My last job is at 3 p.m. So in between I take 1 hour rest. So time on the road is about 7 hours lah. And my income now is 204 lah, 204. So that means about $29 plus per hour. I got to go back early today because Monday usually is my off day or my slack day lah. Because today I'm going for marketing with my wife later on. So I got to go back earlier. Otherwise I will have work until 7 p.m. And furthermore tonight I'm going down to meet my friends, my KPKB friends at a barbecue at East Coast. We're gonna have a good chat and exchanges of ideas. So for today's income is okay for me. It's good because I got to cover my rental and profit about 100 plus. Okay guys, I want to share with you my opinion and observation. There are people who expose their high income online, right? Like 3, 4, 5k per month, per week kind of income, right? So these people, if you observe properly, they are hiding behind a fake profile, so they don't show who they are. And yeah, their income might be real, might be real. But let me tell you this, this kind of income is not always, and it cannot be achieved by most of us, because this kind of income as a PHV driver is considered abnormal income, right? They are working beyond human ability. They have crossed the red line, to be honest. So for normal people, right, we on the road for 10-12 hours. Okay, let's say 12 hours, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Let's say, for example, like my case, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. In between, I may take 1 or 2 hours break. So on the road, solid, say 10 hours 10 hours of driving and working. Usually for my standard, I can get average $300 on a good day I mean on a normal day Don't talk about school holiday. School holiday all drop. So $300 plus minus. Weekend, of course, usually Friday, Saturday get more, 350, sometimes 400 at 10 hours or 11 hours. So for most of us, this is a normal income whereby we work, then we have time to rest. For me, I want to sleep at night at home because for my age, I want to take care of my health. So that's why I work early in the morning, 7 to 7. Then by 7:30 or 8, I already at home, talking to my family members, catching up with them about life and so on and so forth. So there's a balance there. But for those people who make 3, 4, 5k, you guys don't be tricked. These people are working. First and foremost, they get incentive. Okay, that's why their income are like that. And such people, they spend at least 16-18 hours on the road, or maybe even more. Okay, so not everyone can do this. Not because we are weak, but because this is abnormal. So those people who can do this, not all, but most of them I see have no other commitment. They got no boyfriend, no girlfriend, no family, no kids, no interest. That's why they can trade their time for money. They can spend 18 hours on the road to get that kind of income day after day, week after week. Okay, so it's nothing to be proud of. Everyone can do this if they want to, but because many people realize that this is not normal, including myself, that's why we don't do it. But there are people who do it because of necessity. I got a friend in my group who does this because of the need he has. Okay, so but he is good. He never go and reveal his income. He go and mind his own business. He go and work long hours because he want to settle his debts. But those people who work long hours, slogging on the road for 18 hours, after that show the income, these people are misleading. So for newcomers and aspiring drivers who see the income, or they might be attracted They thought that this is easy. This is not easy. This is abnormal. Only certain people with no commitment in life, no nothing, so they can spend their time on the road like that. But most of us, we have interest. We play soccer, we run, we exercise, we talk with friends, we go jalan-jalan with wife and girlfriend, boyfriend. We cannot do this lah. So what the majority are doing is 7 to 7 or maybe 12 hours work or at any shift of the day. That is normal lah. So you on the road for 10 or 11 hours. For me, that is max. Because depending lah, if you are younger, you can extend lah. But usually, my advice is don't lah. Have a good rest and get a reasonable income, right? And then go for the long run. Okay, looking for the long run, you have to take care of your health. If you go for a short run, 1-2 years, if you're unlucky, you might get sickness. Because in my group, there are a few people already told me that since Uber time they work, they got stroke. Okay, they got stroke, and then in the end, now they cut down. They are forced to cut down their working hours. So guys, before you are forced by sickness to cut down your working hours, it's better that you take precaution now. Work hard, work smart, but be in between. Don't slack, don't be lazy, but don't overdo it. Don't become slave on the road. Okay? Because once you are sick, platform will never do anything for you. Okay? You are going to face that for your own self. And then, if you got family, your family going to suffer. Okay? Think wisely. Make money is make money, but be in between. When the day are good, you can chiong. When the day are not good, slow down and go back and rest. There are time to mix around with people, release your stress. There are time to socialize. There are time to chiong. It's very, very humanly impossible for you to work almost every day 16 hours, 18 hours. It's impossible. It's not good. Even if you can do it, it's not good. Nothing to be proud of. Okay, so for newcomers, bear that in mind. Do not be enticed by them and then thinking that you can do this easily. Okay, if you have a small children or family that you want to take care for, you're gonna have no time for them once you are driving 16, 18 hours every day. Then there's no point. There's no point. Unless you have nothing, no commitment, no wife, no girlfriend, then it's okay because you have nothing to do. Okay guys, so I hope you can benefit from my advice. Don't forget to subscribe and then comment. Okay, thank you so much.